Hello, adventurers! Are you ready for a magical trip through the alphabet? We'll learn the sound each letter makes and discover cool things about our new friends. Let's get our animal alphabet adventure started.
Alligator.
A.
B for bear.
C for cat.
D, dolphin. E for elephant.
F for frog.
G for giraffe. H is for hippo. Look at him yawn in the mud.
I is for iguana.
J. Jellyfish. K for koala.
L is for lion.
M is for monkey.
N, narwhal.
Oh, owl? Oh, what a perfectly shaped O. P is for penguin. Q is for quail.
R is for rabbit.
Snake. S.
T, oh, tiger.
Umbrella bird.
V, vulture.
W is for whale.
X, X-ray Tetra.
What?
Yeah.
Y. Z for zebra.
Hooray! Bye-bye for now.